Good morning, Baler! O, Tay, nasan tayo? Ikaw naman ang mag-annotate ngayon. Kahit na lang against the light ka.
Right now we are here at the Sabang Beach. They call it Buton Beach. Actually, it's very far from the main beach of Baler. And we are, at our left side is the river, big river. It's very deep there, lots of it. There are lots of fishermen there, over there around 1 mile from here. And they have a big net. It will take them 1 hour before they can lift the net with this. Then it will give them a big catch, you know, but not a big pieces, small one.
What
It's
fish?
good. And they call it here sap-sap.
Sap-sap.
And there are sometimes shrimps and other kind of fish.
Oh, where's your grandson?
Iwan ko doon sa ay, nandun sila, ang layo na oh. Nandun sa, kwan, the driftwood. Yes, he's sitting there. Asan si, Pinoy?
Ayun na, nandun na sa dulo
Kasama rin siya.
ng driftwood. Ayun o.
And the dog is there.
Ayun na, pabalik na.
But Mason still sitting down there, it's very big. Big waves, lots of waves. But nobody's swimmer now. Only few were having their game.
Ano, surfing.
Yeah, only few people are surfing now.
Oh, magbabay ka na sa mga
But
audience
there are
mo.
lots of swimmers. And then I will just go on walking around 2 miles and back. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.
Ay! Napasama ako! Hinahabol ni QQ yung motor?
Mabilis yun.
Nasaan na si QQ? Ay, ito na.
Nakita mo doon, tinatalon niya yung ano? Yung mataas na driftwood.
Driftwood?
Oo.
Nagtagumpay ka ba, QQ?
Lakas na ng legs niya.
Ay, ko naman na mag-good morning.
Good morning, Baler!
Ba't ganyan yung mukha mo?
Saan?
Ah.
Oh, gusto na sa tubig, oh.
Uy, gusto niya na rin kay Granny.
Where's Mason? Where's Mason? There, get Mason. Get him. Get him. Nice, call him.